Before hacking a system, before exploiting anything, the first step is knowing what exists on the network. In this video, I will show you how ethical hackers perform network discovery using real tools and simple concepts. No boring theory and real understanding. Why network discovery matters? So let's begin. Network discovery means identifying devices, IP addresses, live hosts, and services inside a network. In simple words, we answer three questions. Who is connected? Which systems are alive? What services are running? If you don't understand the network, you are hacking blindly. So you should understand the network correctly first before hacking a system or network. Before pen testing a system or network, you should understand the network correctly. What is network discovery? Network discovery is used by ethical hackers, SOC analysts, network administrators, incident responders. Attackers use it to identify weak systems. Defenders use it to protect them. Same tools but different intentions. Let's check basic network concepts. Let's quickly understand some basic terms. What is IP address? IP address is identity of a device. Like we all have a identity like our home address where mail is coming to our home with the help of a postman. So everyone have a home address. For our home we have a home address. Like that, for our computer we have an address. That's what IP address. If someone in America want to send some information into our computer, so that person will send that information into the address. That is what the IP address. Subnet means group of IPs. My smartphone and the computer is connected to a router. There we have two nodes in the same network. Subnet is group of IPs. Live hosts means system that responds, that are alive. Port means door to a service. SSH port for secure shell connection. Cybersecurity is not about tools, it's about understanding how systems are communicating. First tool we are gonna explore is Angry IP Scanner. Angry IP Scanner is a fast network scanning tool used to find live hosts. Let's install the Angry IP Scanner. For that we have to go to the browser. So search angryip.org. Sorry for that. Now here we are at the official website. Let's go to download. I'm gonna install any ARP-based package, so we shouldn't get any kind of errors because I'm using MacBook. Or if we are using Windows, you can go here. If you are using MacBook, you can install this one. Or if you are using Linux, you can install that one. Actually I'm gonna install this one. This one is compatible for me. I'm using MacBook, but I know this one is good for me. I'm gonna save it into downloads. Let me save it here. So see, let's go to the download folders where there we are installed the tool. See the downloads. So we have the Angry IP Scanner here, the Debian package here. So we have to extract it. For extracting, type sudo tpkg-i the Debian package file name. Then so we got it. Now let me check Angry IP. We got the Angry IP Scanner. So here is the issue. You need Java OpenJDK 17 plus to run IP scan. So next we should install OpenJDK. After a long time of battle, I just got the Angry IP Scanner GUI version. Graphical user interface. If you guys are experiencing any issue while installing or configuring or while getting GUI version of Angry IP, you can just copy and paste into ChatGPT and tell, hey, I have some issue like while installing Angry IP Scanner. So you will get it. Actually I'm using MacBook, that's why I'm getting lot of issues while installing lot of tools but I can manage it. I can solve it with ChatGPT. So you also can solve it with ChatGPT if you are facing any issues. This is the Angry IP scanner. You can give here all the entire network you have. I am giving here 1 and here 255 because we have network until 256. So 1 to 255 it will scan. We have to change something here. Alive hosts, we only need alive hosts. No need for showing any other hosts which is not alive. Here we can add the ports if you want. The net BIOS info, if you want, you can add this into here. MAC address you can add. That's a good information. These are the things which we want. We can get ping, we can get a host name, we can get ports if any ports are open or not. Net BIOS info we can get, and MAC address also we can get. So let's scan. We got 5 systems. One is my MacBook, so it's showing MacBook name also, Net BIOS name also, it's showing host name also. Another one is Ubuntu, our machine. We got the IP address here. After we getting the IP address, you can use Nmap also, because we are not getting which system is this one and this one, so you can use Nmap against that, so you will get it. Actually we discovered the network with Angry IP tools. 5 systems are alive. This is the tool Angry IP, which is very good. We can use Nmap also for network discovery. Let's use it. Nmap -sn 192.168.64.1/24. This is what subnetting. We have used the subnotation of 24/24. These are the hosts which are alive. We can find our host here. We are 64.2. So this is us, and this one is my Ubuntu system. The Ubuntu system, this is what my Ubuntu system, Ubuntu, this is what it is showing. So this is the command we can use for network discovery with Nmap. This performs a ping scan to identify live hosts. This one is for network discovery, not for port scanning. Also we can use ARP-A for discovering network. We can use ARP-A. Actually it's ARP scanning. ARP scanning helps discover devices in local network, which will look for MAC address, and it will match the MAC address with the IP address. That is how we are getting the output with this tool. So ARP-A, I guess we should have to do sudo. So we got 2 system here, which is, and this one is MacBook, the host system, and this one is the Ubuntu in our VM. This is our information. So this is how you can use ARP-A command. Even when ping is blocked, you can use ARP command, because ARP can still reveal the device, as we see now. Never scan networks you don't own or have permission to test. All demonstrations are for learning purpose on authorized environment. If you understand network discovery, you are already ahead of many beginners. Subscribe if you are learning cybersecurity step by step, and follow us. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.